in this district hospital, I'm a witness. There is a problem in Bungoma District Hospital, Bungoma County Referral. Patients watatu wawili, they share the bed. That one is our plea. I struggled. Doctors, upper district, I proved in a district hospital, upper hivi, if you don't have connection, your patient will die. I followed up, wakamweka private wing on Tuesday. Now on that bed, wakati unafuatilia, the same time, unapata there was a person who died. Kitu ikaanza kuring on my mind ya kwamba district hospital ya Bungoma, please be empathetic on the political wing. Wagonjwa wafanye nini? Watibiwe. Kama mtu hapa hana connection, how will he be treated? Nataka kueleza ya kwamba on that plea, for the honor of our dad, introduce a policy, one bed, one patient kwa bunge, so that other patient wasiumie vile wengine wanaumia. Another thing, ya kwamba in our hospital, we are talking about SHA. SHA, they will treat the patient and they tell you go and buy medicine. Na huko wamekuambia when you go to inpatient utakuwa na nini? Madawa. Madawa in our government hospital, we don't have medicine. And that is the thing that has made us, kitambo wendo ulete dawa, upe mgonjwa. I'm telling you, dad alikuaga dunia kwa kukosa dawa. That is the truth. Our hospital do not have medicine, with a lot of negligence to some doctors. Underline the word some. Lastly, we have our mkwasi ambaye anaitwa Joram, who is a doctor there. Ameshughulikia mzee sana. First time akiwa admitted, alimshughulikia zaidi.